Want to free up space and speed up your iPhone without deleting any apps? In this video, I will guide you how to clear cache on your iPhone without losing the apps you rely on. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap General. Now select iPhone Storage. Here you will find different applications. Simply select any one. Now you want to tap on Offload app. Here tap on Offload app again. This deletes the app's cache but keeps your documents and data. Later on, you want to tap on the Reinstall app option. Now you again want to head over to Settings. Then tap Apps. Now select Safari. Here find the option of Clear History and Website Data. Then simply tap on the Clear History option. Now with these steps, you will be able to clean up your iPhone without losing apps or personal data, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.